Welcome. Long-term prediction in artificial intelligence is a humbling exercise. The researchers who built the foundational transformer architecture in 2017 did not foresee GPT-4. The engineers training early large language models did not anticipate that their systems would write complex poetry, pass state bar exams, or assist with cancer research. For an executive planning an enterprise strategy, this creates a specific problem. The capabilities dominating your industry in 5 years cannot be predicted with total certainty today. While the pace of that development remains uncertain, the direction of travel is highly visible. From text generation, AI development branches into reasoning, personalization, multimodal, and crucially, agentic AI, systems taking concrete actions. Along the agentic path, models currently browse the web, write code, and book meetings. However, ensuring reliability and handling irreversible actions remain active constraints. Because solving these constraints is backed by massive investment, you must plan for a 24 to 36-month horizon. This involves integrating systems that function as delegated actors within your back office and operational workflows. Parallel to action taking, complex multi-step reasoning capabilities are improving. Frontier models show significantly better performance on deep logic tasks than models from 18 months ago. While pattern-based text generation is useful for drafting emails, high-value enterprise tasks like complex due diligence and strategic analysis require sustained, structured reasoning. Alongside reasoning, we are seeing the emergence of personalization and persistent memory. Persistent memory allows AI systems to accumulate knowledge of an individual's preferences, priorities, and working style. The assistance transitions from a generic baseline to tailored output. Even with the broader uncertainty of AI's future, the momentum behind persistent memory is visible, bringing with it unresolved questions about data governance and security. Multimodal integration is becoming standard. Here, simultaneous processing of image feeds, audio, and video allows AI to interpret unstructured physical data in real time. As reasoning, persistent memory, and multimodality mature, the range of tasks where AI can be deployed with minimal human oversight will expand, changing operational workflows across many different industries. This operational shift brings us to the employment question. We must address the common misconception that AI will automate entire jobs within a few years. Economic research indicates that AI-driven disruption occurs at the level of specific tasks. A role consists of distinct tasks with varying AI exposure. Routine processing, like administrative coordination or specific financial analysis, maps directly to current AI capabilities. Tasks involving judgment, relationship building, and novel problem-solving remain insulated. Here, the human role actually expands. Managing this transition requires a focus on workforce strategy and organizational change. Organizations that succeed will actively invest in reskilling and redeployment, treating the transition as a shared challenge with their employees. The challenge for executives is orchestrating a managed workforce transition, where technology acts as a catalyst for redefining human roles. As roles change, the competitive landscape will shift. The dynamics of AI advantage in 5 years will look different than today. Future moats have 3 pillars. The base, commodity AI, is universally accessible, providing no unique edge. The middle, proprietary data, uses your operational history to create non-replicable capabilities. The apex, the talent premium, represents the critical shortage of AI strategists. Attracting and retaining elite AI deployment talent is a critical business strategy. Sustainable competitive advantage lies in the combination of your unique organizational data and elite human talent, built on top of commoditized foundational models. Intellectual honesty requires us to acknowledge the boundaries of our foresight. There are critical questions regarding AI's ultimate trajectory that remain open. Whether current development paths will reach human-level general intelligence is contested among the experts best positioned to assess it. There is ongoing debate regarding safety. It is unclear if the current safety research investments by major AI labs are sufficient for the stakes involved. The depth of disruption to knowledge work and decision-making over the next decade is something we will only see in retrospect. As an executive, you cannot defer organizational decisions while waiting for these uncertainties to resolve. The decisions you make right now about workforce investment, governance, and competitive strategy must proceed despite an opaque long-term horizon. The response to this uncertainty is to build an adaptive organization, one capable of capturing current value while remaining flexible enough to change course as the technology evolves. The ultimate winners of this era will not be the executives who merely adopted AI the fastest or spent the most capital. Competitive advantage belongs to those who build organizations capable of using the technology responsibly. Human judgment remains at the center of all critical business decisions. An algorithm cannot replicate your specific contextual knowledge of your organization, your human relationships, or your understanding of what your customers need. This human context is the thing that makes AI tools useful,